How to share a Netflix account. Netflix offers a unique way for viewers to enjoy their favorite movies and shows, and sharing an account can be a great way for families and friends to experience it together. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to share your Netflix account. Netflix primarily targets its services towards members of the same household. If you're looking to share your account, multiple profiles. Within your Netflix account, you can create multiple profiles. This allows each member to have their own personalized viewing recommendations and watch history. Password sharing. You may share your password with members of your household so they can access the service. Remember, it's essential to be cautious when sharing your password to maintain security. Share Netflix with someone who doesn't live with you. While Netflix focuses on household sharing, there's an option for those wanting to share with someone outside their household. Extra member slot. This is a feature offered in some countries where account owners on a standard or premium plan can purchase an extra slot to share their Netflix. Account limitations for extra members. Must be activated in the country where the primary account was created. Cannot be added to Netflix included packages or third-party billed accounts. Cannot be added to ad-supported plans. What is a Netflix household? A Netflix household is essentially a group of devices under the same roof, using the same internet connection, that access a single Netflix account. Setting up a Netflix household. On your TV's Netflix home screen, press the left arrow on your remote to open the menu. Navigate and select Get Help, then Manage Netflix Household. Choose either Confirm Netflix Household or Update My Netflix Household. Opt for Send Email or Send Text to receive a verification link. Access the link via your email or text message. Confirm the settings and continue to Netflix. Important note, only one internet connection, either wired or wireless, can be associated with a Netflix household. Ensure you set it up on your primary connection. Extra members. For those looking to expand beyond the household. Buy an extra member slot. Account owners can purchase an additional slot to invite someone outside their household. Member autonomy. Extra members enjoy their own profile, account, and password, but the account's primary holder covers their membership cost. By following this guide, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable Netflix experience for everyone involved. Remember always to respect Netflix's terms of service and only share your account within the prescribed guidelines.